A decision on Georgia's heartbeat abortion law appears imminent. The measure banning abortions at around 6 weeks was blocked in 2020 after the recent overturning of Roe v. Wade. A federal judge is giving attorneys until today to file any briefs before making a decision. CBS 46's Crystal Bowie live outside the state capitol downtown with what could happen here. Crystal.
Rick, as we know, a lot could change in the next few hours or even days. And now at this hour, we're beginning to see the documents filed by attorneys being posted online in response to the Federal Court of Appeals. As we know, a lot can be riding on this decision. Confusion still surrounds how implementing Georgia's heartbeat law would work whenever it takes effect.
Countless issues where we have no idea how the law would apply to these areas. We don't even really necessarily know where they would apply. And that creates a procedural due process problem.
That's all up to Georgia's 11th Circuit Court of Appeals now, after attorneys on both sides had the full 21 days to make their argument on how the Supreme Court ruling affects Georgia's heartbeat law, which has been held up in court since 2020.
It's certainly a much more conservative panel of judges than I think abortion advocates would want. And so I think it's really unlikely that you're going to see this delayed for a long time. But again, it's entirely possible, given how complex Georgia's law is and comparison to some other states, it might take additional proceedings.
Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis filed a brief today saying she believes this case should be returned to the lower court to allow parties the opportunity to address the merits of the claims. That's in the context following the Jackson v. Dobbs ruling. While abortion is currently legal up to 20 weeks in Georgia, the new law would ban it around 6. It specifically says the full value of a child begins at the moment a fetal heartbeat is detected, and any abortion after 6 weeks would be considered a homicide in the state. While the court is not bound by a timeline on a decision, don't expect a long wait.
Right now, the consensus among constitutional law people is that this should be a quick turnaround.
Now, despite all of this, some city and county officials have already come out saying they will not be spending any resources or even extra time looking into prosecuting any of these potential crimes. Reporting live in Atlanta tonight, Crystal Bowie, CBS 46 News.